Are we recording?
We are.
Woo! I am so excited to be here. Got my true Brit here beside me.
We do.
So, where are you?
We are Hedgehog Hollow and we are in the Heffy Doodle booth.
Woo! Welcome to Heffy Doodle booth, everybody. 735. If you're here, come and see us. You want to have a tour of the booth?
Yes, please.
Okay, dokies. Right, put these down here. So, first of all, over here, we've got lots of props, which are really fun for photos and selfies. So grab a prop, come on over, grab us, get a hug. And there's so many fun things in here. We've got some of our critters. We've got ice cream, pretzels. We've even got, you know, if you're feeling like it's wine o'clock, we can do that too. Grab that and make sure that you tag us as well on Instagram at Heffy Doodle Stamps. And come on in, come on in, come on in. We've got our current release of all our previous releases over here on our walls here. We started with these 5 stamp sets and these 4 dies. I'll just do a quick run through them. So we have Elephant of Surprise, our really popular Happy Snappy Crocs, Unbearable Without You, which is perfect for crafty friends because you have like the scissors, you have pencils. We've also got things like the pizza in there, so it's really fun. Then we have Adorable Lions, and another really popular one, Interactively Yours. So if you like making interactive cards, then this one really is for you. We've got all those little instructionals like press me, push me, squeeze here, pull here, and lots of arrows and little banners and things, so you can make your own buttons. Next up, we've got our release that we had just before Christmas. And we've got Warm Hugs, Geology Rocks, Berry Big Heart, Elfish Antics, Elfin Christmas Words, and Jet Alphabeters. This is a really good staple stamp set, guys. It's a perfect little size. It's clean and simple, and everybody has been loving it. Make sure that you get as well a look at all of the projects. I've got the best design team, I think, in the whole industry. I'm probably a little biased, but I think that they did a fabulous job decorating the booth here. But what we are most excited about is our new release. So we have a new release coming. It's available from the 1st of February. And you'll be able to get that at the Heffy Doodle store. Actually, you can pre-order it on my store now at heffydoodle.com. But with our retailers, it will be available in early February. Come and have a look. It's our biggest one. I'm going to move out of the way a little bit, and then you can get in. Okay, so we have got lucky friends. I'm from Ireland, so I had to have something to do with St. Patrick's Day. And these little leprechaun chaps are just so fun. They look a little bit cheeky, I think. We've got a really cool pot of gold, and you've got the add-on handle that you can put in here. And what I really like to do when I'm designing the stamps and the dies is to create them with internal cut lines. So this pot of gold will actually cut a slit just here on the inside of the pot, and you can pop your gold in there. You can have a critter coming out of it. You could put like a rainbow tucking it in there. You've got lots of options, lots of versatility. It's so much fun. Next up, we have excellent news. Lots of little chickies. We've got eggs. Another internal cut line here on the nest, so you can pop your egg in there, or the little trio of chicks. It's really fun, and that's perfect for baby cards, but also for you know, whenever you want to congratulate someone when they're pregnant. I thought that's fun because it has heard you are expecting. I love a pun. Matching dies for those ones as well. Next up, Honey Bunny Boo. I had so many requests for bunnies. We want rabbits, and I love hearing from you guys. So yes, please keep on telling us what you want to see, and we'll see what we can do. We've got more dies for Honey Bunny Boo, and I will say that if you run the die, this little grass tuft here, if you run the die through your machine first and then stamp on top, it's a lot easier to manage that way, and it creates a little slit. You can tuck the carrots in there, you can hide the eggs in behind it. It makes it really, really fun. Right, this next one here, Hello Squeakheart. I think it's going to be a really popular one. I have got a new member of our family. The Oman family has had a new member. It's a fat-tailed gerbil, or a Duprassi, and his name is Fiskars, and that's why I made this stamp set. It was inspired by little Fiskars, and I had to make a rodent stamp set. You've got 4 little cuties. You can leave them as they are, and they look more like a hamster, or you've got 3 additional tails, so you can really mix it up and get more versatility out of it. You have a little sunflower seed, a big chunk of cheese, a wheel, a little house, drinking bottle, and on the cheese here, the die cuts along the bottom section of the cheese, so you can tuck him right inside the cheese, and it just looks so cute. We've got some awesome little humtastic sentiments to go with that too. And so as you can see, we have lots and lots of critters, and I like to talk a lot. You might not know that about me. So I made this stamp set here. It's called What You Saying, and it has lots of really staple little sentiments, and you can cut it out in a little speech bubble. So you've got the die to cut it into a speech bubble. You can have the outline or the solid, and we've also got on the coordinating dies a stitched speech bubble as well, and that works really nice. Just new for this release, we are introducing Heffy cuts, which are standalone dies. And these ones here are coordinating with all of our stamp sets. We have Lucky, Easter, Hey, we've got Congrats, Honey, and Baby. And I design and illustrate all of the stamps, and for these I brush lettered them myself and then converted them into dies. A couple more things I want to show you. Okay. Have you ever made a card with a sentiment strip like this, and you stamp it, and then you cut it out with a trimmer, and then you mess it up, or the trimmer blade's not sharp enough, and you have to start again? Well, we are introducing in our next release strips of ease. So we have the basic strips of ease and the stitched strips of ease, and these are 5.5 inches long, and they are a perfect width for most of our sentiments. So you'll be able to use these to create the perfect strip for your card every time. One more, I'll go over here. Boop, boop, boop. We have got our Lucky Clover frames. I have an A2 size stitched rectangle, some beautiful like flourishy cornered frames, and some other elements in there like this cute little clover, which just does like stitching along it in a clover shape. It's really fun. This last one here I wanted to show you is called Muniverse, and this is a not yet released. It's an exclusive. If you pre-order at the heffydoodle.com store, you'll get that included in your order. And then that will be available through our retailers when we have our next release. So there we go, that's the new release and what we've got on display. We've been doing some make and takes. I think everyone's going for lunch just now, but we've been having lots of fun having make and takes. We've got our balloon wall up here, lots of beautiful photos being taken there. And if you come over to the booth and you drop a card into the pot, then you get to spin the wheel and you can win either candy or you can win a free stamp set. So come on over, and I can't wait to see you. Thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you. So don't forget to check out the Heffy Doodle store. We'll link it below the video for you. And I'm also going to be creating some things, and I'm super excited.
Yay!
So thanks for joining us. Hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you soon.
Bye!